Hello students, welcome to economics classes. Dear students, in the previous classes we have finished the median. Today I am going to start the next chapter, that is my quartiles. And dear students, there are two types of quartiles. One is lower quartile, which is denoted by Q1, and the other quartile is upper quartile, which is denoted by the Q3. So dear students, methods of solving the lower quartile and upper quartile are similar to median. And there are also three types of question: individual series, discrete series, and continuous series. Let us do one question based on the individual series. Dear students, in case of individual series, Q1 को बेटा हम लोग फर्स्ट क्वार्टाइल और लोअर क्वार्टाइल कहते हैं, Q2 को सेकेंड क्वार्टाइल और मिडल क्वार्टाइल और मीडियन कहते हैं, और बेटा Q3 को थर्ड क्वार्टाइल और अपर क्वार्टाइल कहते हैं. वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस द Q2, दैट वाज द मीडियन और सेकेंड क्वार्टाइल. नाउ टुडे आई विल डिस्कस इंडिविजुअल सीरीज क्वेश्चंस बेस्ड ऑन फर्स्ट क्वार्टाइल and third quartile, that is lower quartile and upper quartile. Now see students, this is illustration number 13. From the following information of wages of 30 workers in a factory, calculate median, lower and upper quartile. Dear students, I have already discussed with you whether this is the case of median, lower quartile or upper quartile. The methods are as follows. Step 1, data must be arranged in ascending or descending order. Step 2, count the numbers. And step 3, apply the formula if it is median n plus 1 upon 2. If it is Q1, that is first quartile or lower quartile, then I will apply the formula n plus 1 upon fourth item. And if it is Q3, that is third quartile or upper quartile, we will apply the formula 3 bracket के अंदर n plus 1 by 4. Now dear students, this is the long question. Serial number, the total 30, and wages of 30, 330, 320, 550. So wages of all the 30 students are given, 30 laborers are given. So you are advised, first I will arrange the data in ascending order. So it is better advised that you first find out the lower values and highest value. In this question, lower value is 120 and highest value is 680. It is 680. Now I will arrange it. We are getting like this: 120, 170, 210, and so on. You can arrange in ascending order. Now step 1, we have arranged it. And now step 2, locate the items by finding out n plus 1 upon 2th, n plus 1 upon 4th, and 3 n plus 1 upon 4th item. Median, n plus 1 upon 2th item, that is n is 30 because there are total 30 laborers. 30 plus 1 upon 2, 31 by 2, that comes to 15.5th item. 15.5th item mean बेटा ये 15 और 16 के बीच आएगा. तो हम कैसे लिखेंगे? साइज ऑफ 15th आइटम प्लस साइज ऑफ 16th आइटम अपॉन 2. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, 15th item, this is my 380, and 16th item, this is my 400. So here 380 plus 400 upon 2. So this is 780 upon 2, 390. Therefore, median is 390. Now, dear students, lower quartile. Q1, size of n plus 1 upon 4th, 30 plus 1 upon 4th. And now, after solving, you will get 7.75th item. Now, you have to apply the formula. 7.75. That means this value lies between 7 and 8. So, how I will write? See, 7, size of 7th item plus 0.75. 0.75 0.75 I mean 75 upon 100. 25 3 जा 25 4 जा, so it become 3/4. And now 0.75 बेटा ये 8 और 7 के बीच आएगा, so size of 8th minus size of 7th. Now I will substitute the value. Size of 7th, I will take from here. Size of 7th beta 300. Size of 8th is 320. So here size of 7th is 300 plus 3/4 is 0.75. Inside bracket 320 minus 300. 320 was my 8th item and 300 is my 7th item. So 300 and 320 minus 320 into 0.75 or beta 3/4 into 20 करो, 4 5 जा 20, 5 3 जा 50. That comes to 300 plus 50, 315, and therefore lower quartile is rupees 315. Now dear students, we have upper quartile. Size of 3 n plus 1 upon 4th. So n plus 1 upon 4th we have already discussed. That was the value 7.75. If I multiply with 3, 7.75 into 3, 3 5 ja, we will get 23.25. Or if I have to substitute the value 3, 30 plus 1 upon 4, 31 upon 4, and if you solve it you will get 23.25 item. अब बेटा देखो 23 और 24 के बीच आएगा, तो साइज ऑफ 23rd आइटम प्लस 0.25 बेटा 25/100 1/4. अब क्या होगा बेटा, साइज ऑफ 24th माइनस साइज ऑफ 23rd. अब बेटा साइज ऑफ 23rd एंड 24, अब देखो 23rd की वैल्यू 480 है एंड 24th की वैल्यू 490 है. And I will substitute over here. Size of 23rd item is 480 plus 1/4. Size of 4th बेटा अभी मैंने बताया था 490 and size of 23rd is 480. And 480 plus once again. अब बेटा मैंने यहाँ पे 0.25. I would have written here 0.25 only and 0.25. So it is better advice you don't write 1/4. 0.25 bracket, 0.25 bracket, 0.25 and a 490 minus 480, 10. If you solve it, this you will get 0.25 into 10, 2.50, and 480 plus 2.50, it is coming 482.50. So dear students, in the earlier video we have discussed when the values was odd value. Odd value I mean n plus 1/4, so we were getting the exact figure. Now in this type of question, whenever the value is coming in fraction, suppose अगर मेरा आता 8.25, तो साइज ऑफ 8th प्लस 0.25. अब बेटा 9 और 8 के बीच आएगा, तो साइज ऑफ 9th माइनस साइज ऑफ 8th. So dear students, in this type of question it is advisable you have to keep in mind 3 things. First, data must be arranged in ascending order. Second, apply the respective formula. And third, in case of fraction, you have to learn, you have to make the practice of writing 23.25, something like this. In this way, you can do all the questions. And that's all for today. I will give you one questions based on this, which you will do it and send to me. Thank you.